Hey guys, Josh here. Let's talk about something really cool, which is the iPhone SE Gen 1 in 2024. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Today we are going to the Samsung Experience Store at the M Quartier to pick up our Samsung Z Fold 6 Silver Shadow. And before we pick that up, let's talk about something really cool, which is the iPhone SE Gen 1 in 2024. So yeah, using the iPhone SE Generation 1 in 2024, let's talk about first the function. First, the camera. It still shoots quality photos. Still shoots quality photo. For video, still capable of shooting 4K 30. So it's still a capable phone when it comes to capturing memories. For messaging, if it's just simply text messaging, iMessages, very capable. FaceTime, still working fine. However, if you are going to take or shoot high quality video and photo, there's a limitation now that is quite a problem, because you can't easily share the high quality videos and photos using other apps. Example, sending it through Facebook Messenger, sending it through iMessage, or even doing the playback of the video sent to you. It is very difficult. So example, the app here in Thailand, we're using the Line app for communication. So instead of texting or making a phone call, we use the Line app for communication, for sending messages, for sharing updates, for sharing videos and photos. And the problem starts when you are trying to send high quality photos and videos, because it takes forever for the iPhone SE to process the videos, and most of the time impossible to be shared. So if you're going to use iPhone SE in 2024, might as well take low quality video and low quality photos so that you can easily share it to any app like Facebook Messenger or Line app or Viber and any other similar communication app. Yeah, for Facebook, using the social media, because videos now are taken in 4K 60, 4K 100, 4K 120, you will have big problem in watching and consuming videos, may it be on YouTube or Facebook. Example, for Facebook Reels or Stories, it'll get caught in the middle of the videos and won't play anymore. So basically you will just get to see the sneak peek of every videos, and that's it. For productivity, you will have huge problem in accessing MS Office. It is so slow now, very slow in using the Microsoft Word, Excel. Before, during the outset of this iPhone SE Gen 1, yeah, almost every apps were optimized for this phone, so very easy to use. Even if this is so small, I used this before for productivity. I made reports, I made reels, I made videos for music. Of course, Apple Music is still good, even if for music you can still play and use Spotify, Joox, Apple Music, or any other similar apps. Still capable. Bluetooth connection works well, and it still carries the 3.5 jack, which means you can still use the traditional headphone. Video call, that's a problem. So it can't handle group calls, Facebook video calls, but yeah, FaceTime is still capable about. Yeah, I think that's all for the iPhone SE. See, for the videos, yeah, still capable of recording 4K.